Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour of the Ocho Rios Ocean View Mall in Ocho Rios. Now this is the mall on the left. It's a massive development and it's actually the mall is phase one of the development. They're going to be building residential units on the property behind the mall. But the mall is finished, the construction is finished, our major construction is finished, and we're going to give you a tour. We'll give you a walking tour later in the month, but today we're just giving you a driving tour. Now this facility is going to be home to a car dealership. That's why you're going to see a lot of cars parked outside. Well, the car dealership is up and running. It's going to have a financial institutions, pharmacy, doctor's office, law office, retail, clothing outlets, and other professional businesses. And the units range from 800 to 8,000 square feet. And it's a modern commercial space, and it's located in Ocho Rios. You can actually drive around. We're going to do that in a little bit, but we're just showing you the facility. Very nicely done. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.